coil that might be bad. But if you look at the coil, it's definitely shorted on the side or dirty, but that could be because the spark plug went bad. So I'm going to clean that out and see if we can get a spark plug. But it came out of the center here of the engine, which is pretty easy to remove. But they want you to buy the whole pack, coil pack, not individuals. So we'll see what resolves with trying with the new spark plug. All right, signing off. All right, let's get back to this thing. You might as well just replace the whole coil. What happened today is when I started running it down the highway, it was missing, obviously. But Testron says number 4 cylinder was misfiring. So that's the number 4 on the far right over here. So that was misfiring. But in order to change the plugs, you got to pull out the little spring coils in there, which fit in here. But the problem that you're going to have is to get that boot out. This is a rubber boot. See here, the whole boot. In order to get this out of the old one, you're going to end up tearing it apart. So you might as well pull it all apart, replace the plugs while you get a chance. That's what you're going to go get the plugs now for me. Because this is crazy. You can't just replace individual boots. I mean, you could spend time taking these boots off, but then to align them back up in here could be a pain in the butt. This way, they're already assembled and aligned, which is the whole purpose behind this. So I already got the first, or number 4 out. So it's going to be 3, 2, and 1. Just a guess. I don't know for sure. But so to get these out, you got to pretty much pull the whole boot out, and then it's going to rip or tear or crack anyways. So these go for about, with my discount, maybe get them online a little bit cheaper, but I paid at O'Reilly's about 143 bucks. I think they go about 163. No coil or no replacement, just that's what it is for the whole pack. One pack and all. So it'll make a quick change. It is easy to change it out, but like I said, you might as well just change the whole thing, because getting these rubber pieces out are really a pain in the butt without ripping them. All right, so I'll sign out and I'll talk to you later. Here's what it looks like with them all pulled out, the spark plugs and the boots. Nice and clean, but this here has to be number 4, which is a little bit dirty in there. I'll try and get in there and clean that out. But I'm getting new spark plugs to put these in. Going through this point, might as well just do it. But yeah, at least it's easy to access. I'll give it that. But the price, whew. And they set it up where you don't have individual coils. It's all in one piece. But as it is, we'll get this done here in about another hour once the wife gets back with the spark plugs. All right, stand by. All right, the new coil is back in place, and we're going to start it now, see if everything is good to go. So hold on. Should be all right. Just walk over here and turn on the key. Let's see. All right. And then key, where are you? What the hell did I do with the key? All right, here. This pocket. All right, here we go. All right. Sounds much better. Oh my God. It's not missing or anything. So it's worth it to change out the bar, even though it's only got a little over 50,000 miles on it. So I can expect that that's probably the range of the coil. Alright, the engine noise is normal, but the coil pack, everything sounds good. Alright, that's it for Fishing Glass on this episode. We're changing out the coil. Just got to put the cover back on this, which just snaps in place. And that's very simple to do. And just got to figure out where the heck I put the cover. But I'll find it and put it back in place. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, happy fishing.